Okay, today is January 8th, 2025, and I am currently at the apartment complex I film at here a lot in Iowa City. I've filmed here a lot. And me and my mom are currently in the area today, so I thought I'd get yet another video of all these units, or most of these units. So yeah, here are these units. And I've been wanting to get a video of these in the snow for a while now. Here's this mirror therm unit, not running. It's got snow on the blades, so there's no sign it's been on. It's a mirror therm. It's a 510 from 2012. And this one was having problems. Last time the compressor wasn't running. It's got a cope and scroll compressor. And here's a Lennox unit which has its capacitor box moved off. And then here are all these older Lennox units. Here's this one. It's a 2-ton from 2004. I'm not going to get the data on super much units just because most of these units really aren't running today. So, yeah. There's a Lennox mirror right there which replaced an older Lennox unit. Here's some more units. Here's a Guardian unit, which is very filthy, as you can see. It's a 2-ton from 2020. Cope and scroll compressor. But yeah. And then there are those units. I'll get to those here in a second. Here are these units now. Here's a Weather King unit. This one I got starting up back in April of last year. This one's a 2-ton from 2018. There's another Guardian. There's two newer mirrors right there. Yeah, all the new units here, the newer units here replaced older Lennox units. There's an Aire-Flo right there. And here are 3 Guardian units. I got one of these starting up back in April. I think it was probably this one. But yeah, a lot of these have snow on the blades, so probably means they haven't been running. And then here, these units. Here's 2 Lennox mirror units. This one's got snow on the blades too. This one's a 2-ton from 2023, I think. Ooh, and one of these that are just running just turned off. Here. 4 Lennox units right here. This one was just running. Just turned off. Yeah, here's 3 newer Lennox units. These 2 actually replaced Aire-Flo units from the early 2010s. And here are these units. And ooh, I actually didn't notice this. There actually used to be a Aire-Flo unit right here that I didn't really I wasn't really interested in that unit that much. I never checked it out that much. As you can see, it's been removed. Yeah, there used to be like a 2016 Aire-Flo unit here. As you can see, it's gotten removed. Wonder why. You can see the line set for it too. And there's a smaller Lennox right here. Some more Lennox units. Here's this one. This one's dented, as you can see, probably from hail. This one's a 2-ton from 2005. So this one might be original. It's a year newer than most other Lennoxes here, which is interesting. But yeah, it's weird. They just removed the 2016, pretty sure it was 2016, Aire-Flo unit. It's just been removed. So it's probably we might be putting in a new unit here. Wow. That unit was only 8 years old. But yeah. There are even more units up there. I'll go look at those here in a second. Okay, here are these units now. Here's yet another new Lennox mirror unit here. Two-ton from 2024. There's another Guardian. Another mirror. There's a Duquesne back there. I like that Duquesne unit. Kind of find it one of the more interesting units here. And then here are these units. And one of these are running, I think. Yeah. One of these are running. It's this one. And the blades are, for some reason, spinning really slowly on this. Yeah, the blades are spinning really slowly on this one, really slowly, backwards. Yeah, the blades are spinning backwards on this really slowly. Doesn't sound very good. Suction line's not cool at all. Two-ton from 2004. Yeah, that compressor does not sound that happy at all. But yeah, here, these units now, here's an ICP, and I think this might be a Meritherm. This unit's my favorite unit here. Yeah, I love this unit. Not running. It's a 210 from 2014. Here's another new Lennox unit. This one replaced a 2012 Aire-Flo unit that was frozen up. And this Lennox unit is dirty. Yeah, that Lennox definitely does have something going on with it. Here are two more Lennox Murats. This one I got a separate video of before. $210 from 2022. Then here's a small Lennox unit. 210 from 2004. Yeah, this one's smaller than all the rest of the Lennox units here, despite it being the same amount of tonnage than all these other ones. And I'll go back to these ones really quickly. And here are these ones again. But yeah, just trying to get another video of all these units. Okay, really quickly, here are some more units at another part of the complex I haven't really filmed all that much. This Lennox right here's running. But yeah, I haven't filmed this part of the complex that much at all, but I thought I'd get another quick shot of them again since it's been a while. And right here we have a Lennox unit that, as you can see, is like completely, ew. Now it just came on. But yeah, here's a Lennox unit that's pretty much completely taken apart. As you can see, it's missing the fan. There's a compressor. And all the stuff and circuits and all that. See, I think this unit's probably dead. Probably not in use anymore. But yeah, I find this is one of the more interesting ones here at this complex. And then here are two more newer Lennox Murat units. 310 from 2022. And here's another new Lennox Murat units. Yeah, the larger new Lennox Murat units here are probably, some of them are probably from 2023 and 2024. But yeah, here's this one that turned on. This one's a 210 from 2022. Suction line is cold. It's in the low 20s today, so it's interesting. A few of these are actually running. These don't have low ambient kits either. And right there's an ICP. I'll get the data on this unit really quickly. It's a 2-ton from 2015. But yeah, just like a quick video of all these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.